What is up, guys, and welcome on back to TK's Garage. Now today we're going to get into some live auction bidding via Copart. It's kind of like the extra video on the day, so stay tuned. We're going to see if we can win something, see if anything goes for normal prices today. You know how that goes though. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump directly into it. Alright guys, welcome on into the live auction today. And this was interesting to me. Only 24,000 miles, and this is kind of one of those like conversion vans with the big plush captain's chairs and whatnot. This one right here was very interesting to me. I'm intrigued, I gotta be honest. $7,000. It's an 03 though, with only 24,000 miles. Like, it's almost like this thing has not been driven at all. So I don't know if it was in storage or what, and I apologize if there's a bunch of noise and whatnot in the background, but they're doing they're literally scrubbing the concrete out here on post. I don't know what's up with that, but that's interesting. That's very interesting. This van is, I wonder if it's gonna be, yes, they're gonna slow walker bid this up.
Bonus time. Sold on approval.
Bid it up too high. All right. Now I might have to jump in on this one. In case y'all didn't know, these are crap motor.
New bidder.
But for whatever reason, they sell really good. Of course. Here we go.
This is a hot bidder.
Y'all gonna bid this thing up for no damn reason.
New
this
bidder.
Should be like a $400 or $500 Jeep, man. This is BS. 900. Y'all are tripping.
New bidder.
All the way tripping. Uh-oh. Here we go. 975. 1,000. Are we gonna get to 1,100? Let's see. Oh wow. No, that doesn't make any sense.
Bonus time.
Wow. Oh. Yep, it's gone. We tried, man. Like, I'll throw a bid on a vehicle that I know is gonna sell, you know, for a couple $100. Like that Jeep, I wasn't going higher than 500 on it, man. But yeah, man.
This is a hot lot. New bidder.
Look and see through the list what else we got coming up. Not really seeing anything yet. Every once in a while, you'd be surprised. You'll run into a decent deal.
Bonus time.
They doing touch and goes out here today.
Sold. New bidder.
This was interesting because it's super cheap, right? Super cheap. But we'll throw a quick bid on it. Nope. I like to do the pre-bids too, because that way if I walk away, I don't miss out. Like, I don't have to sit here and wait for the car to come up. I'll bid what I want to bid on it and then call it a day.
Bonus
and
time.
I have to, like, I don't have to wait on it, you know? That's the big thing. You don't have to wait on it.
Sold on approval. New bidder. This is a hot lot. New bidder. New bidder. New bidder. New bidder. Sold. New bidder. This is a hot lot. New bidder.
I don't even really got to say this. I mean, I'm just sitting here watching this. And that hail damage ain't nothing sweet. You know, 96,000 miles on a crap motor. Hail damaged. And estimated retail is 13. And y'all are rapidly approaching, you know, 50% of retail. Y'all are stupid. I'm just saying, man. I don't get it. The old pros, you know, like the guys that have been bidding for a while, we just fall back. We wait. We do it. We wait.
Bonus time. Sold.
That's too damn high, man. Alright, we got
New
a
bidder.
Dodge Caravan, about 11 years old, 142,000 miles, and it says side damage. I see it. It's right on the doors. Keep looking and see if I find something else. Yeah. Not really a fan of these Nissans, but...
Sold on approval.
At 90
New
bucks,
bidder.
I mean, hey, 100 bucks. It's dealer only, though. That's the thing. That's why it's going to go so cheap. It's non-public. You see where it says non-public clean title? So it's a clean title, but it's only open to like dealers and businesses and whatnot. But at almost 200,000 miles, that thing's
Bonus
clapped out,
time.
so...
Sold on approval. New bidder.
Anybody interested in a Jetta? I'm done. I am done.
Sold on approval. New bidder. New bidder.
Let's see if we got
This is a
anything else
hot
on the list
lot.
that's interesting today. Anything else that's running that's worth a damn?
New bidder.
Funny to see these old birds that do touch and goes.
New bidder.
Now this old school town car is actually pretty solid.
Bonus time.
I'm kind of actually interested in this one. Shouldn't go for much.
Sold on approval.
Shouldn't go for much at all.
New bidder. New bidder. New bidder. Bonus time. This is a hot lot.
And a Honda. Under 600 bucks. I don't care if it's old. Yeah, it's 21 years old. Oh, that's why. Non-public.
Sold on approval.
So, like, whenever, that's the thing, though. If you're a dealer, like, if you're bidding on dealer-only stuff, you can definitely get some good deals. And you don't even have to be a dealer. You could just be a business. Like, if you have a business license, that also lets you, in some states, bid on non-public titles. So,
New bidder.
man.
New bidder. New bidder. This is a hot lot. New bidder. Bonus time.
They bidding this damn thing up all day, man.
Sold.
Man, finally, get out of here. These 300ZXs actually go for some decent money, and you see who's bidding on it, right? The UAE, aka probably somebody in Dubai or Abu Dhabi and the Emirates, bidding their ass
Sold
off,
on approval.
for sure.
New bidder.
That's crazy. $1,100 on this one. Whoo, boy. And remember, this one was actually kind of cheap. And they bid this one right up. Took it from a decent deal to hell no.
Bonus time.
It's just too high. It's too raised up in price.
Sold.
Not that I have a lot of Prius fans, but this Prius, 211,000 with hail, woo, 1,800, that's a little too high.
Sold.
Yeah, get that out of here. Next. Toyota Camry. Now, that's a 13.
New bidder.
That's not bad, I guess. 208,000 miles, though. That's a lot. Even if that was maintained, you're still going to pay through the nose on this one. Because you're going to get, what, maybe 50,000 miles.
Sold on approval.
Maybe. Nope. Man, lots of 1,500 Rams today, man. Damn. A lot. I'm like, wow.
Sold on approval.
Mazda 3. Yeah. That's not bad. Even with the hail.
Bonus time.
73,000 miles on it. I was say someone's going to bid this one up.
Sold.
Third of retail. That's where you want to be at, man. You can get to a third of retail.
New bidder.
Or what estimated retail value is, just a third. And you can buy that car for at a third of retail, then you're winning, man, every freaking time.
New bidder.
Every time you're winning at a third of retail. But outside of that, nope.
New bidder. This is a hot lot.
Yeah, y'all are tripping on this one.
New bidder. New bidder.
Y'all just want to bid this one up. I think we probably gonna get out of here on this one because y'all gonna walk. You're gonna walk this one all the way up. You're already at 50% of retail, man. Damn, man. 50% of retail with a salvage title. I mean, it is 77,000 miles, but damn, man.
Bonus time.
Oh man. Well, there you go. You gonna let it go now? Sold.
Sold on.
All right, guys. Oop, if I can keep my finger out of the camera. That's going to do it for this Copart live auction and bidding. If you like today's video, do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, it's early as shit. And I'm up and about and moving around and getting things done. So, whew. But major salute to everybody that came through and watched the whole video today. Major salute to y'all that hit the thumbs up and come in here and that are subscribed on the notification squad every day. I greatly appreciate it. But anywho's, major shout out to y'all, man. I appreciate y'all watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.